All right, so our next drawing is going to be drawing 6-42. Again, they have a couple of views. The book has a couple of views drawn for us. They've got the top view done, they've got the right side view done, but we have to figure out what the front view looks like. Up here it says that, let's see, we're going to complete the front view in its proper location. The overall size is 2 inches squared. Again, that means the height is 2 inches, the width is 2 inches, and the length is 3.75. So the length of this thing, oh, sorry, 3.5. It's 3.5. So 2 inches tall, 2 inches wide. The length is 3.5. Says the bottom and the ends are 1/2 inch thick. So 0.5 here, 0.5 here. The holes are 1 inch square and centered on the upper portion. So in other words, of this upper portion of the wall here, the window is 1 inch by 1 inch, and it's centered on the top part here. Allow 1 inch between views. Okay, so let's share again. Okay, so in AutoCAD, and it said that our length of our front view was 3.5. The height was 2. And over here, 2 inches. So the thickness was 0.5. And because this is 2, if the bottom is going to be 1/2 inch thick, we're going to go down 1.5. 1.5. So that's actually what our front view looks like. There's 1 inch between views, so I'm going to go from here up 1 inch. And then I'm going to go 3.5 by 2. 3.5, 2. And we're going to go from here over 1 inch and up at a 45 degree. Again, if you don't have a 45 degree, just go to your polar tracking, turn on 45 degree. And you have to make sure that the line extends up higher than the top of the top. So now let's just project some lines for our right side view. Across the 45 degree projection line and down. Okay. It says that let me pull over a hidden line for this line right here. There, this one's going to be hidden. And there's going to be a window right here. Actually, let's draw this in. Up. And from here. So that's these top pieces here. So let's draw that 1 inch by 1 inch window. Let's see, it's centered right in the middle of this upper portion. I know the width of this is 2 inches. So if I've got a 1 inch window in a 2 inch wall, and my spacing on the left and my spacing on the right is the same, 2 inches minus 1 inch is 1. Then I'll half of that one over here and half of it over here. So I'm going to go offset 0.5, so 1/2 inch. I'm offsetting this wall over here 1/2 inch. This one over here 1/2 inch. So that leaves me with 1 inch in the middle. And now from here to here is 1.5. That's where that 1 inch window is centered. So 1.5 minus 1 inch for the thickness of the window is 0.5. Half of 0.5 is 0.25. So I'm going to offset 0.25. Offset this line down, and the dotted line up. So right here's my window. Now I just have to trim. Yes. Delete out these. Change this back to a, instead of a hidden line, back to by layer. Escape. And there's my right side. Now I can take this window and project it back to my front view. And go from here, we're going to go to here. These are going to be hidden. I'm going to do the same thing up top. Here. Oh. I'm going to turn these into hidden. And that's all there is to it. So I'm going to move it into the middle. Okay, looks good. And there's 6-3.